Ladies and gentlemen, when I started creating videos for YouTube, I did this video then. It is one of my first videos. The quality was not so good because of the experience then. Here is the better one. In the next 2 minutes now, I'll be showing you how to convert a PDF file to an editable document. Here is a PDF file on the screen. Of course, you can highlight some content on the PDF file and you can copy. The only option you have is to copy. You cannot edit. If you try to use the tabs at the top here, I have the edit tab here, and the options under edit is to copy, to find, and so on, but nothing to edit here. So to convert the PDF file to a document that I can edit, it is absolutely free. I don't need to pay. I don't even need to use the internet to do this. I will be using a free app that I already have on the device, and I'm sure you have it too. So I go to this search icon, click on it and type Word to search for Word app. Here is Word app. I open it. This is the Word document app. I go up here to File, then Open. Then I search for the PDF file. I go to Browse to look for the folder where I have it. It's in my download folder. Here is the PDF file. I can double click to open it or select and click Open. And this pops up. It says Word is about to convert the PDF file to an editable document. Of course, that's what I want to do. And leave all this as default. Don't worry, it will do it perfectly for you. Just give it OK. And the conversion is going on. The conversion is going on here. In few seconds, it is done. Now I can edit, highlight, delete, add my own text, and I can even drag text and objects around the file. I can even go to File up there and save as either document or back to PDF. Here are some videos for you if you care to watch them. The link to all these and many more are already in the description below. Please check them out. It will be good if you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. That is, you like this video. All these really do help me grow. And as I always do, thank you for watching.